In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Payoneer Global Payment Service account to Gumroad for payouts. If you want to receive your Gumroad earnings through Payoneer, the process is quite straightforward, but it's important to enter the correct banking details and make sure your payout country matches the receiving account you plan to use. Start by logging into your Payoneer account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Global Payment Service section. This is where Payoneer provides your virtual receiving accounts, including options such as US or UK bank details, depending on what is available in your account. Open that section and locate the receiving account information you want to use for Gumroad payouts. You'll need the routing number and the account number exactly as shown there. So keep that page open or copy the details somewhere secure for reference. Next, open your Gumroad account in a separate tab. From your account dashboard, go to Settings and then open the Payments section. This is where you configure how Gumroad sends your earnings. Once you're in the Payout settings area, set your payout location to the country associated with your Payoneer receiving account. In many cases, this will be the United States if you are using the US receiving account from Payoneer. This part matters because Gumroad expects the banking details to match the selected payout country. If the country and bank information don't align, your payout setup may not work correctly. After that, enter the routing number and account number from your Payoneer Global Payment Service details into the appropriate fields in Gumroad. Take your time here and double check every digit before moving on. Even a small typo can delay payouts or cause the bank account to be rejected, so accuracy is important. When everything has been entered correctly, click Save Payout Settings. That final step stores your payment information and tells Gumroad where to send future payouts. As a general tip, after saving, it's a good idea to review the information once more inside Gumroad to confirm it was entered properly. Also, make sure you are using the receiving account details from Payoneer and not details from a different balance or service section, since that can cause confusion. That's it. Once your payout settings are saved,